Now that I've added some blocks to this new page, it's a good moment to look at all the cool content that I can add to these blocks. When you add text to a block and then highlight it, you'll see the editor toolbar pop up, and that has many of the tools that you're used to seeing in page editors, like bold, italics, lists, and so on. You can also use this toolbar to turn any text into a heading or a subheading. When you add text to a block, you'll also have access to this icon. That's a plus icon, but it's a little different from the one that adds new blocks. You'll see this plus anywhere that you have a blank line in your text, and when you click on it, it opens up a menu of other content that you can insert. So for example, you can use it to add images to your page, either using our royalty-free library or uploading your own. You can also add these two column sections, which let you place text and images side by side, or you can fill both sides with text or with images. This accordion section helps you present complex information in a manageable way. So you give the accordion a title and then open it up to add your content. And then when you share this page with your client, they'll be able to open and close the section. And finally, you can also insert clickable buttons. They can have any title you need, and they can link to any external web page. And that is a good start to adding content to your Qwilr page. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll talk about adding some styling.